Hello, my name Subham Shukla. Discuss about pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy is concerned with the knowledge of crude drug obtained from natural origin. Pharmacognosy has long history, 3500 BC. Most of the world population relies upon natural plant for cover of element phytoconstituents present in the medicinal plant are responsible for the pharmacological activity. The phytoconstituents can be classified on the basis of their chemical moiety. The phytoconstituents are extracted through extraction method. The word pharmacognosy derived from two Greek words. Pharmakon means drug, gnosis means acquired knowledge of. The term pharmacognosy was introduced by C.A. Seldral, a medicinal student in Halle Saale, Germany in the year 85 1815. A number of definitions for the term pharmacognosy are used. Pharmacognosy first. Pharmacognosy is defined as scientific and systematic study of structural, physical, chemical and biological character of crude drug along with their history, method, cultivation and collection. इसमें कलेक्शन किया जाता है और प्रिपरेशन, मार्केट यूजेज. Second step, pharmacognosy may be defined as applied science that deals with the biological, biochemical and economic features of natural drug or their constituents. Third step, pharmacognosy is the study of drug that originate from plant and animal kingdom. फोर्थ है आपका pharmacognosy is the study of medicinal drug derived from plant or other natural sources. Natural origin as well as the search of new drug from natural sources. It is also defined as the study of crude drug. Crude drug, it is used for those natural products such as plant or part of plant extract and residues which are not paper compound. Ethnobotany is a broad term referring to the study of plant by humans. Ethnomedicine, it refers to the use of plant by humans as medicine. Traditional medicine, it is the term sum total of all non-mentis term medical practices usually exclude natural product. They can be फर्स्ट है इंटायर ऑर्गेनिज्म, प्लांट एनिमल ऑर्गेनिज्म. सेकंड है पार्ट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म, लीफ फ्लावर, प्लांट आइसोलेटेड ऑरिजिन ऑफ एन एनिमल. थर्ड है एन एक्सट्रैक्ट और एक्सड्यूट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म. फोर्थ है आइसोलेटेड पेवर कंपाउंड. नेक्स्ट है आपका हिस्ट्री ऑफ फार्माकोगनोसी. The history of herbal medicine is as old as human cultivation. Indian history of medicinal plant is taken back from 3500 BC. A large portion of Indian population depend upon Indian system of medicine. इसमें फर्स्ट है आपका आयुर्वेदा, यूनानी, सिद्धा. फर्स्ट है आयुर्वेदा, सेकेंड यूनानी, थर्ड सिद्धा. Father of medicine, Hippocrates. History of animal kingdom, Aristotle. History of on plant kingdom, Theophrastus. Introduction of Genical pharmacy, Galen. Discovered the term of pharmacognosy, Sedler. Published medicinal properties of foxglove. Gave of number of extraction. Modern age. The earliest books containing description of drug related to age materia medica were called herbals. Containing items for mineral, animal and vegetable arranged alphabetically. Before the study of drug was systematized, they were commonly described as independent units and for case of reference were arranged alphabetically under the great scope of pharmacognosy. नेक्स्ट है आपका स्कोप ऑफ फार्माकोग्नोसी. फार्माकोग्नोसी एज एन अप्लाइड साइंस which play circular role in the development of different disciplines of science. The knowledge of plant taxonomy, breeding, pathology, and plant genetics is helpful in the development of different disciplines of science. The technology involving extraction, purification, and characterization pharmaceutical for natural resources has significant contribution to the advanced pharmacognosy is the infrastructure on which depend evolution of novel medicine. Further, crude drug also provide essential intermediates for final synthesis of active compound. India is the richest source of medicinal plant which are distributed in almost all parts of the country. The scope of with the demand of constant supply for the phytochemical industry, the demonstration and cultivation of some of the important plants are necessary. Indian like balsam, money drug which are important balsam of Tolu. It if the cultivation is carried out in India, sufficient amount of foreign exchange can be saved. Genetic disease, arthritis disease, liver disorder, cancer and AIDS etc. In such cases, only symptoms are treated to provide relief to the patient, but plant drug for pharmacognosy have answer to such question. By use of plant drug, we can treat incurable disease. In this way, pharmacognosy has a wide scope of different areas to save mankind. Pharmacognosy is important branch of pharmacy which playing key role in new drug discovery and development by using natural products. Pharmacognosy has given many leads for new drug discovery and development. It is an important link between modern medicine system, allopathy, and traditional system of medicine. It is part of medicinal system which is affordable as well accessible to common man as part of integrative system of medicine. Pharmacognosy can help to increase effectiveness of modern medicine system. It is acting as bridge between pharmacognosy, medicinal chemistry, and pharmacotherapeutic and also pharmaceutics. It also bridges pharmaceutics with other pharmacy subjects.